Hey there, Outer Shield Roofing team. My name is Mick Julian, and in this video, I'm going to show you three things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So, most likely, you're sitting there asking yourself, why would I be doing this and what's in it for me? Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local business owners are too busy running their business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. So I have found by giving people an easy free attack plan of actual things they can do to impact their business for free, and it has resulted in some of those local business owners still raising their hands and saying, "Nice work, McJulian, please do this for me." So, if by the end of this video you have liked what you heard and you can see that I have a lot of tricks up my sleeves that can help your business with, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take this free attack plan I gave you to do yourself, so that works for me too. So now let me show you three things that will set your company above your competition and not waste any more of your time or mine. So the first thing I want to go over is content. So Google looks at how much content you have on your website, and that's what you're found for, and that's how they push you up to the top of search results. So they like to see a minimum of 1500 words on the front page. So upon checking, you guys have around 553 keywords or words on your front page right here. So not enough content for them to really find you relevant. So your competition, the number one competitor, when I went out and looked, so I searched in California roofing contractors, and here's the result. So this is the competitor that I will be making some comparisons with. So by the way, this is called the map pack right here. Okay, and they are right there at the top of the map pack. So going back with content, so you need to get that content up for 1500 words. So it looks like your competition here, one checking, has around 600, 765 words. So we definitely have some room for improvement, so we can definitely beat them out with content on the front page and also their back pages. So you see how many back pages that they have. So this is called the back pages. Okay, you need to add more back pages so that there are a lot of supporting details that can actually help you push to the top by Google. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk to you about is links. So now let's talk about link juice or backlinks. So this second pillar will really help you dominate on Google. So going back, when I searched for California roofing contractors and we scrolled down past the map pack, and your uh, company or business isn't number three, number two, or especially number one. And with number one, that's where you want to be, right? And to get there, you need authority. So how do you get authority? Well, it all comes down to backlinks, and a backlink is when one website links to another website online. And so think like this: if, for example, let's get a competitor's backlink here. Okay, let's get the backlink with the highest domain rating on their end. Okay, here we go. So think like this: if site A links to site B, your competitor here, so then site A is actually giving site B some of its link juice, kind of like a vote of confidence, and in Google's eyes, this is passing authority. And the more the relevant the site, the more valuable the link. So let me give you another example. So if you get a local blog, okay, or industry site linking to your website, so that's great. Okay, but if you are a roofing um, contractor, or of course a roofing installation business, and you got a backlink from Pizza Hut, so Not so great because you don't sell pizza or pepperoni or Hawaiian or anything, right? So going back, so here's your website. So you guys have around 88 backlinks, not bad, but not not dominant. While your competitor, now look at your competitor here, they have around 780 backlinks from strong and relevant sources. So once again, how do we get these? Well, this is a reliable tool that I'm using called Ahrefs. Okay, so with Ahrefs, we can see exactly which sites are linking to them, and we can go get those same links for your business. Okay, the best ones, so that we can actually start ranking. Okay, and lastly, we're talking about is citation, and it has everything to do with this map pack right here. Okay, and to get up there, it's about your name, address, and phone number being throughout the web on directories such as Yelp, Citystar, Yext, and all those different website directories. And of course, to get up there, it has to be your exact name as it appears on Google. So Outer Shield Roofing, and um, your exact address, and of course your exact business phone number of Outer Shield Roofing. Okay. So when I pull the research here, let me go back to return to results. So Outer Shield Roofing has around 11 citations only, while your competitor here has around 45 citations. Okay. So you need to get your citations above theirs to start beating them in the map pack. So you probably ask yourself how I do that. Well, I click in here and I'm able to see every citation that they have. And we can go after those same citations or the best ones so that we start beating them on the map pack. And of course the opportunities offered on their end. So these are opportunities for citations as well. Okay, we can get this too for your business. Okay. So, anyways, I gave you the three things that I think would tremendously help your website. It's content, links, and citations. So, if we do those three things today, we could start beating your competition down the road. So, if you guys need any help with your web, kindly give me a call. So, my number is 804-208 and 0420. So, again, 804-208-0420. And, of course, my email is powershotleads@gmail.com. Okay. So again, this is Mick Julian, and I know you guys are all really busy now, so I'm going to let you go now. Thank you, and have a great day ahead.